So guys, in many of my videos, you may have noticed that I have this traffic indicator running always in my PC, and many of you have asked me to show an installation of this traffic indicator for your PC. So today in this video, I'm going to show you in detail how to install this on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 PC and optimize it in a way that you want it to work. So let's get started. So first of all, this is an open source application available on GitHub. So first of all, search for Traffic Monitor GitHub and you can use any browser. Here I'm using Google Chrome, and then you can go any of these 4 links because all are directing to the same repository. And when you click on any of these links, click on the main repository, and here you will get all the details of the application. And this is basically a Chinese application. However, the application UI is on English. So if you want to know more about this application, or if you want to know this application in detail, you can click on readme in us.md. So this is basically the English version of the MD file of this repository. Here you will get all the information about this application, which is basically traffic indicator. And we have 2 versions of this application. In light version, some features are missing, so I will prefer you to install the standard version, and these are all the details, and you can also check the screenshots from here. And this is how it looks, and it is enabled in my PC. And you can also customize the skins, and this is the secondary tile. I will explain that in detail in few seconds. So this is the detail about this application. So first of all, let me remove the application so that I can show you from beginning. So to install this on your PC, first of all, as I said, go to this repository Traffic Monitor by searching Traffic Monitor PC, and then if you scroll down in the right side, you will find the releases. Click on the latest version. Here you will see something in Chinese and also in English. Then scroll down to assets. So this is the latest version, which is 1.85.1. If you want the older versions, you can also try them from here. Click on last 25 releases and you will get the older versions. But I will prefer installing the latest version because there are always something new in the latest version. So here you will get some architectures. You can install it on your ARM64 PC, ARM64 based Windows. Then we have x64 and x86. So the x86 is for 32-bit Windows and the x64 is 64-bit Windows. And to check that, you can go to properties of your PC to check the version of your operating system, and you can see I have 64-bit operating system in my PC. So I will install the 64-bit one, and for that I will click on the full version because I don't prefer the light version. So when you click on the zip file will be downloaded on your computer and it is saved in my downloads folder. So I will close the Chrome and click on downloads folder, and then I will get this zip file, and now I have to extract it. And when I extract it, it will make a folder like this. Open it and you will get an application called the Traffic Monitor. Simply double click on it, click on yes, and now the application is installed on your PC. And when you install it, you will not see this because I had already installed it on my PC. That's why it already got the preset that I was using. So when you double click on that application, you will get it in the hidden icons. Just click on the arrow and you will get this icon. Simply right click on it and you will get the options. Click on options and here you will get the taskbar window. So you have 2 windows, as I said, the main window and taskbar window. And we have also general settings. So what is main window and taskbar window? When I right click on it, you will see some settings. So when I click on show taskbar, the taskbar window will be hidden, and if I click on show main window, you will get a window like this. So this is the window that you can fully customize, and you can see we have a theme on it currently, and you can definitely customize it as I said, and you can also customize the opacity of the window. And for now, let's disable it because we are not going to use it. We will be using the taskbar window. So simply click on taskbar window and it's done. You can simply use it like this, but there's something more. So let's see what's that. So for that, go to options and go to taskbar window settings. So here you can choose your desired font, and you can also select the style that you want, and I have kept it on default. Then you can select these 2 boxes so that it will be optimized according to your dark theme. Then we have display settings. So here you can choose upload, download, CPU usage and memory usage. So when I disable the CPU and memory usage and apply it, you will see that it will only show the network traffic, not the other resources, but I like to keep them turned on. So let's keep them turned on, and we have the rest of the settings. And now the most important thing is in the general settings. So in general settings, click on auto run when Windows starts. This is really important because whenever you restart your PC, it will be automatically disabled. To fix that, you must keep this turned on. And if you face any issue in this, like if it's still not working after turning on your PC, you can click on reset auto run and the auto run will be reset. And normally click on the auto run when Windows starts, this icon, this option, and hit apply and click OK. Now whenever you restart your PC, it will be automatically enabled. So yeah, this is how you can enable the traffic monitor on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 PC. So this is it for this video. If you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe to this channel. I will see you next time.